Hi, today I'm for me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to unblock number in this device. So first let's open the phone application and then click here to the right upper corner on these four dots. Then just tap here to blocked and click on the right upper corner to the settings. After that, click here to Blacklist and we can see that here there's two block numbers. Just to remove one from these numbers, you should hold it for a while, and now we can see that we just select it. By the same way, we can select another numbers here, and just to remove them or just to unblock, we should click here to remove and confirm our action by click to remove once again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.